there's a lot more we can do with AI. I can tell you what one of our partners is working on. It's a pre-announced product, so I can't tell you which partner, but they've actually taken our Intel connectivity analytics, as well as the information that they get out of their infrastructure equipment. They've created their own large language model, and they've built their own chatbot, chat GPT type interface, and they can query all of that, plus all of the documentation that they have for their equipment and networking in general, and provide amazing answers to an IT person, right? If you're an IT admin, and we tested this real time a couple of weeks ago when I was visiting them, we came up with an ad hoc query on the spot. We said, tell me all of the roaming events that have happened in the last 4 hours. And the thing within seconds spit out, a list. Here's 10 roaming events that happened. Then we thought about it a little bit, and again, nobody planned this, right? It was just ad hoc. It was actually our engineering GM. He said, how many bad roaming events were there in that 10? And they graphed them. It graphed the roaming events, and it said, these ones we would consider bad. These were roams that shouldn't have happened, or happened at the wrong time or for the wrong reason. These were fine, right? These were appropriate. And everyone in the room, including the customer who'd built all this stuff, was kind of shocked, right? That they actually got information that they hadn't even thought of. They hadn't planned in a question, give me the roaming events, but it was there because they built that language model, right, with all the information, and it was smart enough to figure out and decide. That it had the documentation, it had the infrastructure side, it had the client side. It was like, hey, I would say these are for bad reasons. So it's those kind of things that are being worked on right now by us and our partners, all of which is going to just continue to enhance not just the speeds and feeds that you get with Wi-Fi, or not the predictability of it, but actually the user experience of it.
Yeah, no, you're right. I mean, eventually it's about the user experience, and all these technologies have a huge role to play. Like the example that you just gave, the user experience is significantly boosted with all these.